called whopping, right?
Whopping. Yeah, you don't have to say whopping, I guess. I was just trying to make it exciting.
Like
Yes,
it.
it's like a Whopper. 4 years ago, when we started the company, I would have never believed that so many people of different backgrounds and professions would be relying on our products to stay productive. My name is Jack,
I'm Steven.
and we're the founders of Mobile Pixels. With feedback from our previous products, along with the shifting trend in laptop sizes, we've developed the all-new DUEX Max. Like our previous 14-inch monitor, you simply magnetize the monitor to the back of any laptop, slide out the screen, plug in the cable, and you're ready to work. The same 14.1-inch 1080p display runs off of a hybrid signal, which makes it compatible with almost all laptops. In addition to laptops, it is compatible with select Android phones and the Nintendo Switch. It also has the kickstand mode and portrait mode. Finally, the screen is equipped with auto rotation and eye care mode for nighttime use.
However, everything else has been completely revamped on the DUEX Max. The magnet system is completely new. Not only are the magnets much smaller than those on the previous model, they offer a second stage sliding system to enhance laptop compatibility. We decreased the length of the DUEX Max by 11%, the width by 8%. Along with the use of lightweight aluminum parts, the weight decreased by 23% from 2.2 pounds to 1.7 pounds. By packing the same 14-inch Full HD display into a more compact frame, the screen-to-body ratio increased from 75% to 85% on the DUEX Max.
I'm excited to announce that the DUEX Max will be launching in 4 premium colors: Rio Rouge, Madder Green, Set Sail Blue, and Gunmetal Gray. So no matter what your profession may be, there is a DUEX Max for you.
We want to thank you again for the 4 years of support you have given us.
With your help, let's repeat our previous hits and make this campaign another success.